Hello again, and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week,
the ripple effect. Helping others by sharing our networks has this awesome ripple effect that goes way beyond the initial good deed. It's like dropping a pebble in a pond. The positive impacts spread out and reach way more people than we could imagine. We're not just boosting individual achievements when we connect with others and encourage them to collaborate. We're actually doing something much bigger. We're making society as a whole better off. It's like a domino effect of kindness. These little acts of kindness make a difference in building a society where everyone feels included and has the chance to succeed. When we connect people from different walks of life, we broaden their horizons and open doors they never knew existed. Sharing your contacts and business relationships is like giving a VIP pass to a whole new world of opportunities. But it's not just about hooking people up. It's about building trust and creating a culture of support. By sharing our networks, we say, hey, I believe in you and I've got your back. And that's how we foster a community where people lift each other up and help everyone thrive. Seize the chance to make a difference. Extend that helping hand, share your networks, and build a world where everyone has the chance to shine. You have the power to create positive change and make this world a better place.